Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Listening and Learning. Hope all are fine. Kindly watch the video and subscribe the channel. Let's go to today's video. Moral story: Respect one and all. Let's go to the story. I love my grandfather very much. He is so loving, full of fun, and loves to play with me whenever he visits my home. For my 8th birthday, grandmother and grandfather stayed for a week at our home. Every day, grandmother would help me dress for school, pack delicious food in my snack box, and grandfather would walk me to the bus stop. I enjoyed all the attention I was getting from them. The evening before my birthday, grandfather took me out for a walk to the park. While he took his round of the park, I played on the swings. Then he bought me some ice cream. We sat on a bench to enjoy the sunset. Rani darling, I have a gift for you, my grandfather suddenly said to me, pulling out a gift from his bag, a box wrapped in silver paper. But grandpa, my birthday is tomorrow, not today, I said with surprise. Yes, I know, but I want you to have the gift today. So you may start using it from your birthday tomorrow, he said, smiling. Oh, great! I love gifts, I said, and got busy tearing the wrapping paper to open the box. But to my surprise, the box had only a bunch of 4 square cards inside it. Seeing my disappointed look, Grandpa put his arms around me and said gently, Rani dear, you are a loving girl, but I have noticed many times you don't use the magic words. So I have thought I should give them to you for you to use and become a more respectful girl. Magic words? Yes, let me show them to you. He took the cards out from the box. He showed one card at a time to me. Please, may I, sorry, and thank you. Oh, those words? My mother and my teacher always tell me to use them too, I said. But I have noticed you are not using them much at all. Every morning, your mom and granny help you to get ready that you are not late for school. Do you say thank you? Your bus driver waits patiently while you run to the bus. Do you say sorry, I am late? There were other children waiting in queue for the swing. Did you say, please, may I take a turn? No, you just grabbed the swing and had your fun. I am sorry, Grandpa, I said, feeling ashamed of myself. I didn't even say thank you for this ice cream. Don't look sad, baby. Just be a little aware of what is happening around you and be grateful for the help you get from everybody around you. And in the same way, be sorry and apologize for any mistakes you do. Thank you, Grandpa. This is the best birthday gift I have ever got. And you are right. I am going to use it from my birthday tomorrow. I said happily and did just that. Moral of the story is show respect for people by using the magic words please, may I, sorry, and thank you. I hope you all like this story. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next video. Bye bye and don't forget to subscribe the channel.